Hotel Zulu Juliet Tower, wind 28015, gusting 29, clear to land runway 30.
Land 30, Hotel Zulu Juliet.
Hey, Michael here. I'm here at Durham Flight Centre at Oshawa Airport in Ontario, about to do my first in-air flying lesson. I've had this scheduled now for about a month and a half, but the weather's not been great, so I'm hoping to get up in the air today and share some of what I'm doing in my attempt to get my private pilot's license. Let's do it. Inside a Cessna 172, about to do my first training flight. Very excited. We just did the walk around, made sure everything was in order, running through the checklists, and we should be going shortly. I'm excited.
Oshawa Tower, Hotel Zulu Juliet, pulling short 23, ready for the backtrack.
Hotel Zulu Juliet Tower, backtrack.
Line up runway 23. Hotel Zulu Juliet, line up runway 23.
Key Romeo Whiskey ground, runway 23. Hotel Zulu Juliet Tower, when ready, left turnout, wind 260, 18, gusting 24, clear takeoff, runway 23.
Clear takeoff 23, Hotel Zulu Juliet.
Hotel Zulu Juliet Tower, wind 28015, gusting 29, clear to land runway 30.
Land 30, Hotel Zulu Juliet.
On that landing we had winds gusting 30 knots, wind shear, bouncing all over the place. It was absolutely wild. I can't wait to come back. I thank my instructor Meir for such an amazing flight, absolutely brilliant. And wow, that was a way to start. That was a wild landing, so can't wait for more.
I think that's Dad's plane. Coming in on the ground there.
On the ground there?
Yeah, look right there.
Into the orbit?
Right there. See? There he is.
This right here is the most cursed avatar package on
I'm really excited to see where this journey takes me, and I got to control the plane, got to nose up, nose down, banking, some attitude adjustments, and playing with the horizon until the horizon disappeared in a snowstorm, which was really cool. Can't wait, and I hope to keep sharing the journey as we go. See ya.